Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we are going to create 4 networks and we will connect all the networks together. First of all, we will select 4 1841 routers. You can just click on the router and then click on the screen, or you can just drag it and drop it on the screen. As you can see, we have 4 1841 routers. Now we will select 4 switches. So let's select 4 switches here. For this tutorial, we are going to use 2960 switches. We will take 4 2960 switches, and then for each network we will select 2 PCs, 2 computers for each network. PC2, PC3, PC4, 5, 6, 7. Our next step will be connecting all the devices, all the PCs to the switches. Now for this, we will use copper straight through cable. We will connect all the PCs to the switch. That's going to be our next step. Just click on Fast Ethernet, and then when you click on the switch, select the port. Okay. We have connected all the PCs to the switch. Now the next thing we will do, we will connect all the switches to the router. Let's connect all the switches. So we'll use the same copper straight through cable. Click on the switch and then click on the router. Select Fast Ethernet 0. Same way, switch and router. Connect all the switches to the routers. Okay, let's make it look a little bit better. Now our next step will be writing down the IP addresses. So we write down IP addresses for all the devices. Let's start with the first network. We will separate all these networks. Let's just select a color and separate all the networks. This is our network 1. This is network 2. This is network 3. And this one is network 4. So 4 networks Okay. Now, first, we will write down the IP address of the network. So let's assume the IP address of network 1 is 192.168.1.0. Second one is, let's say, 2.0. Third one is, let's say, 3.0. And the fourth one is, let's say, 4.0. So these are our networks. Now we will write IP addresses for the devices. So for this one, let's say the IP address of this router is 192.168.1.1. One 192.168.1.2, 192.168.1.3. Same here. 2.1, 2.2, 2.3. Three dot one, 3.2, 3.3. Same here. 4.1, 4.2, 4.3. Now, we have written down the IP addresses for all the devices. Now, our next job will be assigning these IP addresses. You see, just writing down the IP addresses are not good enough. We need to assign these IP addresses to the devices. That's the next thing that we are going to do. Let's start with network 1. Okay, let's just move this one a little bit this side. Let's start with network 1.